but see, we don't have to be correct 100% of the time. If you pick up the phone and you start talking to them, you'll quickly find out. So for example, you just say credit B, right? Credit B. I can go to their website. I can find their email ID. I can call them. I can even find people's phone number on the internet. You can find the CEO, CTO, etc.'s phone number. You pick up the phone. You talk to them. You tell them that this is what I do. I want to help you with this. I will do a free workshop for you, etc. If he has a lawyer, he'll say, I have a lawyer, talk to the lawyer. If he doesn't have a lawyer, you'll find out. But even in many cases, if there is a lawyer, they need help. But if they don't have a lawyer, then they have a lot of work. They will need help with contract drafting, they'll need help with strategizing, they'll need so many different helps. So once you start identifying their problem and you tell them how you can help them with their problem, it becomes very, very easy from there. Okay? Don't convince. You tell them that, don't convince at all. Say that, hi, I am a lawyer, this is what I do. And I really like what your company does. I have been reading about you online. Thought I will connect you with in person. Okay? And I was wondering, would you be interested in a free workshop on these things? I already help people with these kind of things, and I can give you a free workshop, which might be really useful for you. It will help you in XYZ way. They'll probably say yes, or they'll say, tell me more, send me more information, send me a mail as to what would be there. They may have further questions, which is okay. Correct? If they say, no, I don't want a workshop, you can tell them, okay, I'll send you a free ebook that I have written on the subject. Right? You can write a 10-page, 20-page ebook where you explain what they need to know and share it with them. So you'll have to put in work. It is not that it happens automatically. So this is the idea, guys. And also, by the way, you don't have to necessarily go and do it one-on-one with people. You can also make videos and put them up on YouTube. You can write articles and publish them on blogs where they might read it. You can post it on LinkedIn and then share the links with those people. So they will come to know about your ideas and what you are doing. It's not about trying to sell your services. Do not sell your services. Do not talk about, okay, I help you to do this. No. That's not what you do. You tell them, talk about their problems. Talk about their problems. How are you going to solve this problem? This is a problem you have. How do you think you are going to deal with this problem? How do you think you are going to challenge, let's say a certain problem they have? How are you going to fix that problem? So this is the question. Okay? This is the question. It's never about you going and telling them, oh, I provide these services. If you ever have any work, then give it to me. Not going to happen. Okay? I see these lawyers doing all the time, and this is solicitation. To go to people and tell them, hi, I wanted to let you know that I am a lawyer in this court and I do contract drafting and I do this work. If you ever have anything, give it to me. Let me know I can help you or not. This is solicitation. Okay? But if you come to me and tell me that, hi, I saw that you are doing this work, you might be having this problem, or I want to conduct a survey with you and try to understand, or I want to interview you, or I want to call you to my webinar and talk about this problem. This is not solicitation, right? Okay. And if they don't agree, then go to somebody else. Like there is absolutely nothing that says that if you reach out to 10 people, then out of 10, everybody will say, okay. I was just talking to the partner of a law firm a couple of days back, and he told me that if I talk to 100 people, then I know that out of that 10 engage with me. So if I spoke to 100 people, only 10 will come back to me and speak to me. And out of that, one person will maybe become a client someday. Okay, if you need this, that I talk to 100 people, 100 has to become my client. Sorry, not going to happen. That's not how it works. You will be rejected. If you can't be rejected, if you are afraid of rejection, then you can't go anywhere. Okay, that is how it works.